A dishonest dealer professes to sell his goods at cost price, but uses 960 grams instead of 1 kg. Now, we have to find out the profit percentage. Now, remember for such questions, whenever there is a dishonest dealer, the basic assumption which you can do, especially in questions where you are dealing in 1 kg or 1 liter, also you can apply a similar strategy when the questions are based on 100 meters or 1 meter or something like that. You can easily assume the cost price as rupees 1000 per kg. Okay. So 1000 per kg, that means rupees 1 per gram. Okay. Now, the dishonest dealer professes to sell his goods at cost price. That means he is going to sell the 1 kg at 1000 rupees because that's what we have assumed. But now he is not giving complete 1 kg. He is giving only 960 grams. So the cost price of these 960 grams will be 960 rupees. Now you can see that the selling price is 1000 and cost price is 960. That means you have a profit of 40 rupees. Now we have to find out profit percentage. Profit percentage formula is profit upon CP. So 40 upon 960 into 100. So this becomes 1 upon 24. Now 1 upon 24, we can reduce it further because the options are in fractions. 4 into 25 is 100 and 4 6 are 24. So answer becomes 25 by 6 percentage.